In this guide, I'm going to be showing you the very best deck that you should use here in Arena 14 for Clash Royale. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Arena 14 brings us a wild but super strong pressure deck. Let me introduce you to the Magic Archer Princess Bridge Spam. This is a 4.0 elixir deck, but it's built to overwhelm opponents non-stop dual lane pressure and chip damage. This deck essentially runs Goblin Drill and Wall Breakers as your main win cons. Drill is going to give you guaranteed tower chip, while pulling out defensive responses, and wall breakers are going to force cycle mistakes or punish when your opponent's low on elixir. Backing them up are elite barbarians and royal recruits. These are absolute defensive powerhouses that can stop, pushes cold, and then swing into massive counterattacks. Bandit and Royal Ghost are going to be your classic bridge spam duo, darting across the map and forcing quick reactions, but the real spice comes in with Magic Archer and Princess. Magic Archer is going to punish poor placement with insane chip and lane control, while Princess is going to give you long range splash that forces constant attention. If left alone, they're going to shred towers over time. This deck is rated godly in both attack and defense for a reason. It has good synergy and good versatility, but the free to play score is obviously not that great just because it is stacked with legendaries. For one of the most annoying and effective bridge spam decks that you can play right now. If you do have any questions, go ahead and ask us down below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.